The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 is the best smartwatch Samsung has ever made. Here's why. Welcome back to SamMobile TV. You're here with Daniel. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. If you are rocking a Galaxy Watch of any generation, do not hesitate, upgrade immediately. I've got a list of reasons as to why you should, so let me go through them with you. The first is the new design. And by new, it looks familiar to the Galaxy Watch Ultra original, but Samsung have made improvements here to the practicality of wearing a smartwatch, whilst also improving functionality along with it. From a practicality point of view, the watch is both lighter and thinner than the Galaxy Watch Ultra that's come before it, which should make it a lot more comfortable and easier to wear on your wrist. The common complaint of smartwatches is the fact that they are bulky, and when you need to wear them for sleeping or for health tracking, they kind of can get in the way. And with the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2, it has the most complete set of health and tracking features, but the old one was heavy. So Samsung with the 2 has made it lighter and thinner, so that way it should be a lot easier to wear on your wrist and a lot more comfortable as well. Second point is the display. The Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 not only features a larger display than the original Galaxy Watch Ultra, but it's also the brightest display of any smartwatch that's currently available. It has a peak brightness of 5,000 nits. This means that any condition that you're going into, whether it be lower light, whether it be peak sunlight outdoors, you'll have no problem seeing the display whatsoever because of how bright it can get. And if you like viewing content, whether it be health tracking data or whether it just be the time or notifications, then you'll have absolutely no issues with it. You'll see everything. Third thing is the performance. Samsung has upgraded the chip to the Snapdragon Wear Elite. So they've gone away from their own Exynos. Some people might see that as a downgrade because the Exynos chips from the previous generations have actually done quite well, both with performance and efficiency. But just using the Watch Ultra 2 in the limited time I've had with it, the actual performance is astounding. It zips through the software, no issues. Everything is fast and fluid. It's actually perfect. I think Samsung needed to go to that Snapdragon chip to get a bit more legitimacy about their smartwatches. And I think doing so will give everyone a much better user experience because that's ultimately what's important at the end of the day is how the user enjoys it. And having a peak performing smartwatch with all of the bells and whistles is the way to go. To go along with that, Samsung has got a bigger battery. The Watch Ultra 2 has gone from a 590 mAh capacity on the original Watch Ultra to 800 on the Watch Ultra 2. Now, what's a bit perplexing here is that Samsung advertised the same usage time when it comes to battery output. I don't necessarily think that's going to be the case. I think they're being conservative here on purpose. So when I get my Watch Ultra 2 in here, I'll definitely put it through its paces and see what the difference is from the original Watch Ultra. Can't see it being the same, to be honest. That extra capacity will make a difference. It's just down to whether or not the brightness of the display or the chip makes a difference and maybe brings it back level. Either way, I'll figure it out. But that bigger battery can't hurt. So that's definitely a reason to jump to it. And I guess all of it kind of is a moot point if you don't have the software to back it up. And Samsung, with One UI 9 Watch, will give users an incredible app experience with lots of partnerships, but also with the new Samsung Health that is on board, there is so much tracking that can be done, and the watch is at the center of all of it. Whether it be your vitals tracking or your running metrics with daily cardio load that's on board, there's just so much that this watch can do from a tracking perspective. And then you couple in all the existing stuff like sleep tracking and energy score, and you've got a very, very complete software package right from your wrist with One UI 9 Watch and the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. And then the last point is durability. It's got a titanium casing, which means that it's definitely going to be durable from a wear and tear point of view, but it's also been upped when it comes to what it can withstand. It keeps the 10 ATM rating from the existing Galaxy Watch Ultra, but it adds IP69K, which both are dust tight, IP68 and 69K. What is different is the level of pressure that it can sustain from a water point of view. IP68 is for immersion. IP69K is there to protect against high pressure water situations. So whether that be high pressure hoses or whether it be, well, hoses is the only real thing I can think of. It's more like in that real industrial sort of stuff. It can withstand that. And then for the first time, Samsung are bringing a diving metric on board as well. It's E913319. So I'm reading it just because I need to get the numbers spot on. This diving metric is there to support both durability, but also dive tracking. So it's rated, I think, for 40 meters that it can track diving situations up to that level. And then you've got the 10 ATM, which obviously is a depth and pressure rating as well. This watch is very, very durable, both from a hardware and also from an internal point of view. Everything is protected. So if you were thinking about upgrading to the Watch Ultra 2, but you weren't quite sure where the upgrades were or what it's going to give you, alongside everything else that Samsung does with its smartwatches, it has all those upgrades to go with it. And I think it's a fantastic smartwatch. I cannot wait to get mine myself. And I think you should feel the same. You can use the link in the description to go ahead and grab your Galaxy Watch Ultra 2 or any of the other devices that Samsung launched the other week and unpacked. You can jump down below and grab them. Go check us out on our website, sammobile.com. There's lots of stuff on there that I think you'll be very interested in. Lots of opinions, lots of software pieces, lots of reviews. All of it's on there. Come find us in our socials as well. And I'll see you guys next time. Thanks.